To share with you guys over 1,300 UK charity organizations or companies that are offering job opportunities with visa sponsorship. And the good thing about this is that the list was recently updated, and the benefit of going through this visa route is that you can work, study and relocate with your family to the UK. And the icing on the cake is that you can switch your visa from one visa to another, which means you are not tied to one particular employer. Normally, this kind of information is shared with family, relatives, and friends, but I feel so excited sharing with you guys because I feel it's going to benefit you. One good thing about this company is that they are currently hiring, and you too, if lucky, can be hired. Believe me or not, I'm going to be the first person to welcome you into the UK in a couple of weeks. So friends, I would suggest you don't skip this video, else you are going to struggle while trying to apply for these jobs all by yourself. And remember what Very Dark Man will always say:
you're gonna learn. I will learn the hard way. Don't play.
So guys, make sure you watch this video, and I promise it's going to worth your time. I know some people will think this is a lie, but bear with me. In a couple of minutes, I will clear your doubt. And if you rush this video, you are going to miss out on the life-changing opportunity that I'm about sharing. In this video, I will show you the eligibility criteria, benefit of being a charity worker, and how to get these sponsorship jobs. So friends, if you have been trying to come to the UK, this is an opportunity for you to relocate to the UK through the charity workers visa. I know some of you might say it's in the category of temporary worker visa, but the good news is that this is among one of those few visas that allow you to switch and also bring your dependent with you. As you already know, for many visa categories in the UK, most of them do not allow you to switch or bring your dependent with you. So guys, if you're ready, come with me to my laptop. Let me show you how you can do this, how to apply, how to search for this job all by yourself. So guys, this is the official website of God of UK. So what you need to do is to search for charity worker visa. As you can see, I've searched it before, so I know what I'm saying. You click on it. Now we are going to look at the overview, document you must provide, eligibility criteria, applying, and we are going to also look at your partner and children and how to extend your visa. Remember, this visa is for 1 year, so once it expires, you can also extend it. So I'm going to show you guys in this video. So now let's look at the first thing, which is you click on the first link that will take you to the overview. You say you can apply for a temporary work visa, charity worker visa, if you want to do an unpaid voluntary work for a charity. I know some of you will think that you don't get paid. You get paid during this process, but it's in a form of stipends, and some of them can even pay you salary. So it says you meet the other eligibility requirements. So what are the eligibility requirements? Let's look at it quickly. It says to be eligible for a temporary work charity workers visa, you must have a certificate of sponsorship reference number from your UK sponsor, have enough money to support yourself in the UK. You will usually need to have at least £1,270 available unless you are exempt. Be 18 years over when you apply. So talking about certificate of sponsorship, this is what I'm going to show you in this video, how to get those organizations, those over 1,300 companies I told you about. Okay, those companies will give you visa sponsorship, and you will need the visa COS reference number to apply for that visa. That's what they are talking about. So extend this visa. Let's see. It says you can apply to extend your temporary work charity worker visa. You can apply before your current visa expires. So let's assume you are in the 11th month and you're in for 1 year, so you can renew it before the 12 months. I hope that makes sense. So guys, how long you can stay? You can see you can take your stay in the UK up to maximum of 12 months, or the time on your certificate of sponsorship plus 14 days, whichever is shorter. So to apply, when you have your COS, you click this link and you apply. So this is where you do your application. It says your expected wait time is less than a minute, which means I'm in a queue. You can see people are applying already. So what are you waiting for, guys? You need to start applying. Okay, job is the most important thing you need right now. You can see it has opened. So I need to apply. Where are you planning to live? England. You click it and you continue. But guys, the most important thing is the job. Without a job, you cannot proceed because you need the COS number, the certificate of sponsorship number. So how do you get this job? Let me tell you something. If you have the right CV, you know how to tailor your CV, you can get this job. It's as easy as possible. If you want me to do a separate video on how to do this CV, leave it in the comment section and let me know, and I'll do that for you guys. Now let's jump right in how to find this job with visa sponsorship. Let's continue. So guys, you go back to the site gov.uk, click on this logo to get to this search bar. Now you will going to type sponsor license or certified sponsor list, anyone you want, certified sponsors list. So when you click it, you see it says register of licensed sponsors workers. So you click on it. Now, as you can see, we have register of worker and temporary worker licensed sponsors. You can also view it online, or you download the Excel sheet. So if you click this place, you click it, it will download instantly into your computer. As you can see, it's downloading. So what I would do is to open it in Excel. I'll open this file now in Excel. So I'm opening it now in Excel so that you see it. So guys, this is the list. So what you will do is to separate them so that you can view it independently. As you can see, it's all modeled up. You see the city. So let me separate them for you so that you see it clearly. So as you can see, these are all the companies in the UK that give sponsorship, but right now they're all mixed up. What we want to do is to filter those that are charity workers visa. Those companies that give you charity worker visa, these are the cities where you can search by London, depending on where you want to work, Clarkson, Essex, Edinburgh, and what have you. So if you come here, this is the county. County is like a big city. County is a group of cities coming together. We call it county in the UK. So these are the county: Warwickshire, Hertfordshire, London, and the rest of it. So these are the type and rating. So this is the worker A rating. You have some different type of rating, but all of them you can see they are all A rating, which means they are very good. Now this is the skilled workers visa route. So this route is where we are going to filter. This is where we are going to filter. As you can see, skill worker, you see creative worker, they are all mixed up here. So how do you filter this? Guys, if you are finding value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Let's continue, guys. So now you click on data and click on filter. When you click on filter, you see a drop down arrow that comes. Click on it. Now you've seen a search box, a little search box. Click search for charity workers or worker. Now you see option has come as charity worker. So click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you will notice something, that everything you're seeing on the extreme right is charity worker. This side, charity worker, and these are the companies that are giving out the. On the left hand side, you see the companies that are giving out all this sponsorship for you to come and work. They'll give you the reference number that you need to start your application ASAP. Guys, this is amazing. You can see the list is endless. So if you want to check them out, you copy it and paste it on Google and search the career section. So go on Google. Let's go on Google now. You place it on Google. Now this is BCM International. You click on I'm feeling lucky. If you click on Google search, it's going to give you a variety of search, and which will get you confused. So if you don't want to be confused, go to I'm feeling lucky, okay? Click on I'm feeling lucky, and it will get you straight to the site. Now when you get to this site, you will look for the career section, and let's see if they have career section, or you look for the email address to write them. So let's see. Look at it, the ministry opportunities. Are you seeing it? Ministry opportunity. You have requirement for service, application process. So whichever one you want to apply for, you apply. Let's see the ministry opportunities first. So now, as you can see, these are the ministry opportunities. You have campaign managing director for their camp. View, it says, look at it, it says view a full job description. This is a missionary, as you can see, supports raising position. When you click that, you come to this part where you have BCM International Canada. You read about it, read carefully everything about it. These are the skills they need from you. Are you getting it? After reading, it says the successful candidate skills will include familiarity with Microsoft Windows 10 OS and the rest. Now, how do you now send your CV? That's the question you'll be asking. Are you getting it? It says for further information and to send a resume, use this email. And the subject writes camp director. So that's what you will need to do. You have to read everything and you send in your application, okay? You want to be more specific on the city that you want. What you need to do is to click on the arrow in front of it and type the city that you want to relocate to. So let's assume London. You click OK, and all the ones in London, you can see they will all appear. Are you getting it, guys? So now let's look for any random one to search for. We have which one can we use now? Let's use this one that looks interesting. British Library. So now you go to Google and just look for. Now when you go to Google, you have Google search and I'm feeling lucky. Click on I'm feeling lucky. And once you get to the site, the first thing you need to do is to find the career section. So let's look for the career section. Sometimes you find it on top, sometimes you find it below. Or jobs, look at it, you see jobs. Click on jobs. So guys, this is it. It says vacancies in London and Yorkshire, so you can search and apply. You can read opportunities, early careers, apprenticeship and work experience opportunities. You can click it. So let's look at the search and apply. So guys, this is how you will do it for all those companies on that Excel sheet. You must take them and put them on Google and click on I'm feeling lucky, okay? So you see we have network, we have 11 matches, network specialist, infrastructure, assistant finance, ticketing manager, lead solution architect. So anyone you are interested in, you can apply. Let's assume you want to apply for this online. The first thing you need to do is to go through the job description. As you can see, this is full-time, date posted 8th of November, which is this month. And the job description, you can see it, permanent full-time, and the salary that you will get, like I said, some of them will give you stipend in form of salary, and this is 33,600, and this is what they are looking for. So if you have the time, read through this, and when you are satisfied, you apply online. Click on apply. So now you put your username and password. Are you getting it, guys? That is what you will do. But if you don't have if you are not registered yet, you click on new registration. Click on new registration and you put your title, forename, surname, email address, and you follow it through, guys. I think I will stop here. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. But before I go, for those of you who watch this video to the very last end, there's a site I want to give as a bonus to you. So you go to your browser, just type charityjobs.uk and click on search. So you can use this as another means of getting jobs that are offering this visa sponsorship. Guys, they are currently offering visa sponsorship. So if you look at this one, it says regional outreach officer. Click on it and You can see it says view via site. You can go to the site and see what the site looks like, the company site, and you follow through. It's very simple, guys. As you can see, this is the site of the company. You say regional outreach officer, and this is the amount you'll be paid. So this is the full-time permanent employee. About the role, you read about the role. If you are satisfied about the role, you click on apply. So guys, make sure you share this video to your loved ones, families, and friends. God bless you. If you love what we are doing, please drop a thumbs up for this video. Bye for now.